Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your Gohighlevel account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gohighlevel.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the main Gohighlevel homepage. Look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login screen. Now you'll be taken to the login page where you have two options to access your account. The first option is the traditional method where you can manually input your email address and password in the respective fields. After entering your credentials, simply click the login button to access your account. This method works well if you prefer keeping your Gohighlevel login separate from other services. However, there's also a quicker alternative available. You'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. This feature allows you to sign into Gohighlevel using your existing Google account credentials, which can save you time and make the login process more convenient. For this example, we're going to use the Google sign-in method to show you how it works. Go ahead and click on the Continue with Google button. This will redirect you to Google's authentication page where you'll need to select which Google account you want to use for signing in. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, you'll see a list of your available Google accounts. Simply click on the account you want to use for accessing Gohighlevel. After you select your Google account, the system will automatically verify your credentials and log you into your Gohighlevel account. This happens almost instantly, and you won't need to enter any passwords manually since Google handles the authentication for you. This method is particularly useful if you manage multiple accounts or want to streamline your login process across different platforms. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into your Gohighlevel account and ready to start managing your marketing campaigns, funnels, and client communications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.